Today I'm going to explain why I choose to do my eyeshadow first and my foundation second, and how to achieve a flawless complexion with minimal products and in very little time. Once you watch this video, you will be able to take these techniques and create this look on your own and have a better understanding on what part of your face to start your makeup on first. Here is a list of products you'll need before we get started. Organic Spa Rosehip Oil, Organic Spa Eye Treat, Soothing Lip Balm, Liquid Concealer in the shade Light Medium, the Magic 3-in-1 Foundation in the shade Sand Beige, our Mineral Pressed Powdered Foundation in Caramel, Baked Blush in Rose Gold, the Stick Illuminator in the shade Illuminizer, our Waterproof Gel Lip Liner in Cinnamon Sugar, and our Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Risque. Here are the tools you'll need to get started. The 4-piece Face Perfecting Kit, a chisel blush brush, metallic complexion brush, white faux concealer brush number 640, and the white faux pull apart lip brush number 603. When I'm doing a skin focused look or light eyeshadow to no eyeshadow, I will definitely start with my complexion first because that's my focal point, and I'm not using those dark tones I'm gonna risk having fall onto my face and interrupt that beautiful complexion I just spent all that time on. Since this is a follow-up tutorial to my smoky eye for beginners, you'll notice that I already have my eye makeup done, and I'm going to pick up where I left off. So the first step is you're going to take a damp cotton round and wipe underneath your eyes very gently to pick up and remove any fallout you had from when applying the darker shadows. Now I'm going to properly prep my skin. My holy grail products are Organic Spa Rosehip Oil, cannot live without that, Organic Spa Eye Treat, and Soothing Lip Balm. So I'm just going to apply 1 pump of the Organic Spa Rosehip Oil into my hands, work them together, and then press on my face. And now I'm going to take the Organic Spa Eye Cream and apply that directly under my eyes and some lip balm on my lips. Now with the Mono Metallics complexion brush and the Magic 3-in-1 Foundation in the shade Sand Beige, and I'm going to apply those all over my face, and it feels like you're wearing nothing. The Magic 3-in-1 is literally magic. Now with the largest brush in your Pro 4-piece Face Perfecting Kit, you want to just take that and really work it around your skin and buff in the Magic 3-in-1 Foundation. Now I'm going to take the liquid concealer in the shade Light Medium and the white faux concealer brush number 640, and I'm going to apply concealer just directly under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, a little bit in the center of my forehead, and a little bit on the Cupid's bow in my chin. And I'm going to use the medium brush in the 4-piece Face Perfecting Kit to smooth this out. And I'm going to take the extra small, it's so cute, brush, and I'm going to just really go over the concealer that's right under my eye. This is going to prevent any creasing. Now I'm going to take my small brush from the Face Perfecting Kit and the Caramel Mineral Pressed Fat Powdered Foundation, and I'm going to just get into my contour a little bit with that. Not too heavy, nothing crazy. I'm going to use the same brush and the same product and outline my jaw. This is really going to help structure the jawline. And it's great if you feel like you might have gained a couple pounds from quarantine. Now I'm going to take the Stick Illuminator in Illuminizer and my medium brush from my Face Perfecting Kit, and I'm going to just apply this Illuminizer on the bridge of my nose, center of my forehead, top of my cheekbones, and a little bit on my cupid's bow, just a little bit. I'm gonna take that brush and really work that product in so it just looks like light is hitting me in the right spots. Now with the chisel blush brush and the baked blush in rose gold, I'm just going to apply a little bit of that onto the apple of my cheeks. I didn't combine or go over the contour and the highlight. I left them next to each other, and that's gonna prevent getting that gray muddy look. So I just wanted to point that out. I'm going to just pack my brush with some rose gold. Smile to highlight your apples. And lightly dust. And now you can go back with your large brush from the Face Perfecting Kit. Go over the rose gold very lightly. That's going to give you that flawless cheek. Now I'm gonna take the waterproof gel lip liner in Cinnamon Sugar and our Ultra Matte lipstick in Risque. And I'm going to just blot off any lip balm that I had on from earlier. So I'm just going to outline my lips. These really glide really nice on the skin. They don't pull. And I'm gonna take my white faux pull apart lip brush and I'm going to just apply the lipstick with that. I love this color. And it's gonna give it a nice diffused look. I want to thank everyone for watching this tutorial. All the products and tools can be purchased at our online makeup store, authenticbeautycosmetics.com. Check back next week. I'm going to show you how to create a 10-minute look to put your best face forward for your next live webinar, Zoom, Skype, or FaceTime session.